So today I'm gonna build the Somdot power outlet 8 drawer. So I got it from Temu. It just arrived today. I'm pretty surprised. I ordered it like 3 days ago and it came. So I'm feeling like it's Amazon Prime up in here, you know what I'm saying? Like, what's going on? But anyways, I don't even want to waste your time. We're gonna build this. Don't look at my background, you know what I'm saying? I know there's a lot of stuff out here. It's the whole reason why I bought that. I have an old drawer that I don't even like, who is right here. And I was just like, you know what? Let me just like, I just want to read. I need something new. I'm tired of having like an old drawer that I don't like. The style is not even mine. So the one the Somdot right there is supposed to be good for TV. So I'm trying to get a TV soon. Like I said, don't mind the mess. You know what I'm saying? This is the whole reason why I bought that. Okay, so let me build this. Dang, it's kind of heavy. So I just wanted to make this little voiceover just to say that I actually built this drawer with a screwdriver that I got from the dollar store. So you actually don't need anything super crazy. And they also give you a specific screwdriver that you have to use. So yeah. Also, I gotta tell y'all that I actually suck at building stuff. So if I can build this drawer, then anybody else could do it, you know? So I have a friend who's like a goddamn engineer and he can build anything like easily. So like when I look at myself building this, I felt like I was doing like some crazy Lego stuff, but it's actually just a regular drawer. But I did a good job at the end, so I'm pretty proud of myself. We're advancing up in here. My camera kind of died, so I had no choice but to kind of stop the camera and continue building. So for this part, I actually finished building the frame and I put the wooden countertop on the floor so I can attach it a little bit easier because it was a little bit heavy. So I was like, you know what? Let me go to the floor and attach into the frame. So this is a bad review. So the feet of the drawer, one of them was good, and then the back of it was damaged. So you can see like it's kind of squished like an oval, but I don't really care about it because nobody's gonna see it, so whatever. That's a bad thing. Alright, so I'm done building the base of it, which looks like this. I'm not too sure if y'all can see it well because I don't know what the hell I'm recording. And now we have to put the little drawer things. So basically they come like in this package. I have to take it off. You open it like this, and you put this little pad thing so it keeps it open. You'll have to screw these in like this, but since there's a lot, I'm just gonna open them all first. So although this is a budget drawer that I got off of Temu for $125, the quality is pretty good on it. So the metal frame is actually pretty solid, pretty heavy, and when I tried to lift it before on the box, you can tell that it was kind of heavy. The countertops that you see is actual real wood, so that was pretty good. The only thing is that if you can see the boxes that I'm putting in, so like the actual drawers that I have to put inside, those one felt a little bit cheaper. I'm not gonna lie. Like this is where like you can see that the build was a little bit cheaper as like a budget build. It's actually like not even some real wood for this one. It's like some type of fabric box. But at the same time, what's nice about having the fabric box is that whenever you try to slide it, it's silent, you know, like the original drawers, whenever you slide it, there's like a lot of noise that happened, but with this one there's no noise. Alright, so I finally finished the build of the drawer over here. So this is how it looks. Oh my god, it's so much better. It's way better. Dang, crazy contrast. Wait, I don't know, I like the contrast of this one way better. What the hell? This goes crazy. On top of that, you have like a little USB and also your like little port where you can put a TV on if ever you want to, which is what I'm gonna do. Apparently you can go up to like a 55-inch TV, so that's what I'm gonna do. And also I installed the LED light under. I don't know if y'all can see it. Maybe if I go behind like this. So I plugged it. So technically this drawer is gonna take this place of this one, but I've been building this thing all night, so I'm not gonna do that. Also got the little LED controller. Boom. So now if I put it in, I shut it down and it's night, that's how it would look. And that's gonna be so dope with a TV on. Oh my goodness, bruh, that's gonna be super dope. But yeah, I guess I'm gonna show you guys a little like snippet of how it would look on if it's installed at the right spot. So this is the end of the video, and this is how the LED lights look at night. If you want it, I might put the link in the description. And yeah, subscribe, like, and all of that jazz. But we out of here.